Hello, boys and girls. How are you all doing? This month, we're going to be exploring changes in weather, changes in size, and changes in feelings. Well, let's go ahead. So, our memory verse for this month is from the book of Malachi, chapter 3, verses 6. For it says, "For I am the Lord, I do not change." While the weather may change, today may be sunny, and the next day it may be rainy, but God remains the same. Well, in math, we're going to explore the meaning of zero. Who can tell me what's in cage one? Yes, there are two birds. And then what happens in cage two? The green bird flies away, and there's only one bird left in the cage. And what happens in cage three? The two birds all fly away. Yes, and that means that cage three is empty. And when something is empty, it means there's nothing. And zero means nothing. Good job. Now, we're going to practice counting numbers from 0 to 10. We're going to count them together from the smallest to the biggest number. Start with 0, which means nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job counting. Well, since we learned that 0 means nothing, we're going to practice adding things to 0 to see what we come up with. Well, remember, when we're doing addition, there's some very important signs that we have to always remember. There's the plus sign that looks like a t, t, t. And then we have an equal sign at the end. When you finish adding things together, you have to have an answer, and you use the equal sign at the end to give you the answer. So we're going to practice these first 3 additions. So get your Play-Doh and make for me a 0. Well done. Now use your Play-Doh to come up with a plus sign. Good. Or you can use your colors as well to come up with the plus sign that looks like a t, t, t. Good. Now, using your Play-Doh, make for me a number 1. Good. Now let's come up with the equal sign. We can use our pencils or colors or Play-Doh. All right. So we learned that 0 means nothing. When you add 0 plus 1, what do we get? Yes, we get 1. Good job. When you get 0 plus 2, what do we get? Get 2. We can also pick up 3 colors. So that when we add 0 plus 3, how many colors do you have in your hands? 3. Yes, 3 colors. Yes. Now get 4 colors. So 0 plus 4 equals 4. And 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Now we're going to the bigger numbers. 0 plus 7 equals 7. What do you notice about all the additions we've been doing? Anybody have an answer? When we add 0 to any number, we get that very number. Yes. So 0 plus 8 equals 8. And 0 plus 9 equals 9. And finally, what is 0 plus 10? Yes, the answer is 10. Good job. Now, I'll leave you with some homework to practice counting from 0 to 10. All right, we'll be back from the break. Now we're going to be practicing phonics. What do you see on this page? I see some vowels. How many vowels do you see? Yes, there are 5 vowels. Can you say them out loud? A, E, O, A. Good job. We learned that vowels and consonants help us to come up with words. Yes, now everybody pick up your puzzle pieces and help me put them together. What words? What do you see when you put your puzzles together? What pictures do you see? Yes, I see a van. Yes, a red van. What letter sound do you hear at the start of the word van? Van. Yes, there's a V. That's the first letter you hear at the word van. And the other puzzle piece we put together has a cat. What letter do you hear at the start of the word cat? K. Yes, that's true. K. The letter sound that we hear at the start of the word cat. Okay, then our last puzzle piece is of a fan. What letter sound do you hear at the start of the word fan? Fan. Fan. I hear fan. Is the first letter sound that we hear the word fan. All right, we're going to practice some other words that have similar endings. Yes, who can help me with that first word? That's the word dad. It has 3 letters. And what vowel do you hear in the word dad? Ah, good job. Ah is the vowel in the word dad. All right, let's read our next word. Next word is bad. Bad. What vowel do you hear in the word bad? Bad. Yes, there's another ah in the word bad. Then our last word is sad. What vowel do you hear in the word sad? Ah. Yes, you hear the word? You hear the vowel ah in the word sad. Good job. Well, these words have a similar ending. Dad, dad, bad, bad, sad, sad. Well, they all end with ad. So it's only the first letters that are changing. Like in the first word, dad, our first letter sound that we hear is D. Then the next word, bad, which could mean a bad dog. The first letter sound that you hear in the word bad is B. And then our last word, sad. What letter do you hear at the beginning of sad? I am sad. She is sad. Yes, the first letter sound that you hear is sad. Well done. Well, we said this month we'll be exploring changes, and the first change that we shall be exploring is a change in size. What do you see on this page? Yes, I see a bed. It's a big bed. I see a ball. Yes. Is it a big ball or a small ball? It's a big ball. Good. Well, we shall also be exploring how our feelings keep changing. Some days we're happy, and other days we're sad. And some other days we're really excited. And that's all part of change. It's absolutely fine for your feelings to keep changing. But what matters is how you deal with those feelings. And we shall be exploring how we deal with our feelings when they change from time to time. Well, in this next page, what do you see? Yes, I see a dog ripping off pages. How would you feel if you found your dog ripping your favorite storybook? I would feel very sad. And how would you feel when your car gets broken? Yes, you would feel sad. Show me what faces you'd make when you feel sad. Yes, those are the faces I would also make when I feel sad. And how would you feel when you go to the doctors and you get an injection? Feel scared. Yes. Show me what face you make when you feel scared. Right. And how would you feel if someone surprised you with a gift? You would feel happy. Yes, show me how you'd feel happy. And sometimes you could also feel surprised. Now, do you notice how our feelings keep changing from time to time when different things happen to us? Yes, so we'll be exploring that more in the next lessons. Thank you for being good boys and girls. I'll see you next time. Bye.